Hi everyone, welcome to Makayas Online, and this is Word of Mouth, the show where we taste and talk. Today I'm going to be making an Indian flatbread called Naan, and we're going to be having it with another Indian meal called butter chicken. But before we get into making the naan, just an encouragement to someone out there. In Psalm 145 in the Bible says, "One generation shall commend your works to another and shall declare your mighty acts." So whatever you're doing that is positive, the next generations will talk about it. And we have such an opportunity in this digital age to impact people through media, all sorts of media platforms like YouTube and Facebook that can be used for good. So maybe only 10 people will watch this video, and out of those 10 people, maybe only 2 people will be called to do something, maybe make naan for themselves or get into cooking. But it's 2 more people than if I had not done this video. So it's worth it. So use the platform that you have and influence someone positively today. Let's get to making naan on Word of Mouth. Step number 1 is to dissolve 2.5 teaspoons of yeast in 1 cup of warm water and 1 teaspoon of sugar. The sugar helps to activate the yeast. After about 10 minutes, it's nice and fluffy. Now we're going to add all the other ingredients. A 1/4 cup white sugar, 3 tablespoons milk, 1 egg that's beaten, 2 teaspoons of salt, and start off with about 3 cups of flour. But you will adjust the flour depending on the consistency of your dough. 3 cups. You want to knead this until it is soft, smooth, and elastic. Oil bowl. After about an hour, the dough has doubled, and now you want to add your garlic, finely minced garlic, into the dough. Spread it out, sprinkle some garlic. And just knead that into the dough. going to cut this dough into, it's about 16 pieces. So after about 30 minutes, these are ready to be rolled out.